Hey there folks, today is the final video in our Copenhagen Grooming Beard Growth Journey video series. Now, if you've been following along with me, thank you for being patient and continuing to watch throughout the journey with me. If you are brand new to this channel and this is the first video you're watching, thank you for tuning in and welcome. This video is going to sum up everything we've been doing throughout the journey, and I will give my full honest review of the product. Now, I chose the 155-day journey with the Copenhagen Grooming Beard Growth Kit. So when we opened it up, I did an intro on this. I'll put a link for all the videos I did throughout the journey in the description, and you'll see how I did the derma rolling and all that. So the kit basically came with a derma roller here, and you roll it over your face. Again, I will have the intro on how to use that in the description. And we have the activator. It's the cream that you put after, and sanitizer for your roller, and it comes with a little mustache or beard comb. And it also came with some pills. As you can see, it's empty. So we also got, because it's the 155-day journey, we also got 2 extra activators. So now for the review. Obviously, without further ado, it's pretty clear what the review is. The journey was getting kind of repetitive and there wasn't much growth. Now, I will say there are some thicker hairs along the cheeks, but I was continuing to have to get really close to the camera to show the progress, which kind of defeats the purpose. You shouldn't have to get very close to the camera to see the beard. So unfortunately, even though I am extremely grateful to Copenhagen Grooming for sending me this to demo for you guys, it was a gift from them and I do appreciate it. However, I cannot give my thumbs up because, as you can see, I still have not really much going on the cheeks. We did give up on the neck because I'm not really interested in growing a neck beard, so we just focused on the cheeks and a little bit more on the chin here, but there hasn't been that much progress. We started in June and it's now November, so that's quite a long journey. Every 3 days we were needling our face with our roller and putting the cream on and taking our pills every single day. So the derma roller is every 3rd day though. So that is a lot of work to do for this little progress. So I will say, in my personal opinion, that it did thicken up some hairs. Like I said, it did darken up some, but it's definitely not worth it, in my opinion, to go through all that work just to have this very little progress. Now, another couple things I want to mention with this video review. The cleanser, if you were watching along with my videos, the cleanser ran out twice. I refilled it twice actually. So that's kind of a thumbs down. I would think if you were to do the 155-day journey like what I did, they should do like the activator. They sent extra activator. They should have also sent extra cleanser. That would have been wise. So maybe they'll pay attention to this video and hopefully do that. And I end up using just a dollar store rubbing alcohol because constantly filling this thing, there's not a lot of room in this thing. The other thing that doesn't line up with it, it's 155 days. However, if you look, maybe hard to see on the camera, but even if you look in the description on their website, these Sidekick vitamins, there's only 150 of them, so that really doesn't line up with the journey. The last 5 days of the journey, I wasn't taking any pills because I ran out. Another opinion, this thing, there's other competitors that say that you should replace this every couple months. And I do agree with them, because these needles, even though they feel a little bit sharp still, they are getting dull. And I thought that I'd get used to the feeling of the needles on my face. However, as they got dull, it would be a little more painful. Not really painful, but more irritating. So that should be another thing for them to consider, because you're doing 5.5 months, about, I think, 22 weeks, something like that, give or take. Correct me if I'm wrong on my math there, but that's quite a long time to be using this single derma roller So even though we're cleaning it, it's getting dull, and it was getting kind of fiery on the skin. So again, huge thanks to Copenhagen Grooming for sending me this. I am going to be shaving this off. I'm going to be going back to a clean shaven look. Everyone does like the mustache. I do like the look of the mustache and the goatee here. I've received a few compliments here and there for that. However, my facial hair is extremely hard and wiry. So even though I do like the look of it, I don't like getting the extra unneeded styling gel when I blow my nose in my mustache, if you know what I mean. And I could do without the food particles in the bottom of the mustache. So we're going back to a clean shaven look. I did get a straight razor, so we're going to be trying that out for the first time. I've been using a safety razor. So thanks again for tuning in. I might throw a video up on the channel at some point when I get used to the straight razor, how to use the straight razor, but I got to practice on that first. It's been a while since I shaved, and it'll be my first time today after I cut the camera here doing the straight razor. So wish me luck, and thanks again for tuning in. Thanks again, Copenhagen Grooming. Unfortunately, sorry about the results, everybody. Alright, so before we wrap things up in our video here, I'm going to throw a few pictures of the before and the current, just to give you an idea where we were sitting with our facial hair growth. Even though I didn't get a full beard, I do want you to see where I was at before we started the journey and where we stand now. So here's those pictures. Alright, so hopefully those close-up photos give you an illustration of how we did with our progress. As I said just a moment ago, the progress, there was a little progress, but it wasn't justifiable for all the work we had to do. Those photos, you can see that it is starting to get thicker. If you see the first photo there, I only had a few strays coming out here and out here, but now there's more of a line, and the line's been kind of forming as we go. And some of the hairs turned darker here, so it obviously shows a little bit of progress, but again, not enough to do all this work for. Alright, so I just got finished with the straight razor shave. Feels really nice and smooth. I do miss the look of the mustache, and it did look a little weird looking in the mirror once I wiped my face down of the shaving cream and saw just bare skin, but starting to slowly get used to it as the moments go on. So let me know your opinion, what you think looks better on me. And do you prefer the mustache and goatee look, or do you prefer the clean shaven look? Throw your comments and opinions down in the description below, and keep it clean and friendly. Thanks for watching, everybody.